Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the introduction to the Greatest Showman, learn how to sing Rewrite the Stars and perform them both together. So let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
Our introduction uses a new note, B, which is our first finger on the A string. We'll find first position in the same way that we have when we've played a low A on our G string or an E on our D string. I'm going to play you a pattern of 4 open A's and 4 first finger B's, and you could pause the video and have a go at making up some of your own patterns using these notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not only do we have to play notes with our left hand and bow, but we also have to stamp our feet in rhythm during the introduction of this piece. For the stamping, we are going to use our right foot so we can keep our left hand ready to play. We're going to try alternating between these actions by playing A, stamp, stamp, and B, stamp, stamp, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, 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 stamp. Have a go for yourself and try not to get your left and right hands muddled. It really helps to remember that your left hand will stay on the neck of the cello to play the note B, whilst your right foot is going to stamp, and our right foot is on our right side, which is our bowing side. And then you could start trying the pattern a little bit quicker, just to get used to alternating between these actions, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, 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 stamp. Pause the video and have a go for yourself. In our introduction, we play an ostinato or repeated figure 5 times, with half of one of these figures again to finish. Let's clap and say the rhythm of the pattern like this, remembering to put the stamps in where the crosses are on our stave. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. Stamp. 1, 2, 3. Stamp, stamp. Then we could try adding the notes, always in the order of 1, O, 1, or B, A, B. Have a listen and then pause the video to try the notes first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add the stamping. I'm going to demonstrate 2 full patterns of the ostinato, and you can pause the video to have a go for yourself. See if you can do 5 repeats of this pattern, count them as you go so you know where you are, and remember to make a circle or retake with the bow in between each pattern, and that our stamping foot is on our right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 5 repeats of the pattern, we play half of the pattern to end, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try this on its own first and then add it to your 5 repeats of the full ostinato figure before you move on.
We are now going to play the introduction and sing Rewrite the Stars along to the backing track. So get your cello ready by placing your first finger and bow on the A string.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for The Greatest Showman Part 2 coming soon.